In today's video, I'll teach you how to create LOreal account. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now you'll have to go to the official website of LOreal. For that, click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in LOrealParisUSA.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of LOreal. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to create the account for yourself, what you have to do is look at the top right. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on the account icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Once you do that, you'll be led to the sign in interface. From here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. But if you want to create the account, what you have to do is click on this option, sign up with email. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the account registration interface. From here, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. You can see over here, you'll have to fill in these details in order to create the account. So first of all, what you have to do is enter your first name. Now enter the last name. After you do that, also enter the email address. Click on the field of email address and provide the email address over here. Make sure to enter the valid email address. Now enter the password. Simply create a password for yourself. Your password must contain minimum 8 characters, one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter and one number. So create the password accordingly. After you create the password, confirm the password. Now what you have to do is select the date of birth. First of all, select the month. Click on the field of month. Now you'll be able to find the months over here. Click on the month of your choice. Likewise, select the date. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the questions over here. What you have to do is answer these questions. Which category or categories are of most interest to you? You'll be able to see the options over here. Click on the options of your choice. Now after you do that, you'll also be able to find the option for skin concerns, skin tone, what's your hair color, what's your hair type, what are your preferred retailers. All of these questions are optional, so if you want to answer, you can answer it. Otherwise, you can simply click on this option, register. Now you can see over here your LOreal account has been created. Now you'll be able to shop online in LOreal smoothly. So that is how you create LOreal account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.